This is ShadowQuant, Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Monday, May 25, 2026, and this is the After Hours session. Now, let's get into it. The S&P 500 closed higher today, but the VIX remains at extreme fear levels. Let's break down what it means.
The S&P 500 closed at 745.64, up 0.39%. The Nasdaq 100 gained 0.42% to 717.54, while the Dow Jones rose 0.6% to 506.12. Among the top gainers, Bain surged 99.900% after a mysterious filing. NARRATOR jumped 265.94%, and EUR climbed 643.19%. On the flip side, EUR plunged 99.99% to $0, F5WS fell 99.8%, and IPOFWS dropped 99.77%. The technology sector led the charge with a 1% gain, while communication services lagged, down 0.55%. The Russell 2000 outperformed, rising 0.93%.
Cypher, what's the story on earnings and filings?
Core Scientific reported disappointing Q4 results, sending shares lower. Meanwhile, crypto entrepreneur Chun Wang's Mars mission is a non-event, and Tom Lee's Ethereum portfolio is down $7.35 billion as the price outlook worsens. No major earnings reports today, but several dividends are set to go ex this week, including FEE, MIN, AIMP, USLM, and MEGI.
Pulse, what's the macro story?
The Fed funds rate remains at 3.62%, with the 2-year Treasury at 4.8% and the 10-year at 4.57%. The yield curve is flat, at plus 0.43 percentage points, signaling caution. Inflation remains above target, with CPI at 3.78% year-over-year and core PCE at 3.2% year-over-year. The economy added 736K jobs in April, with unemployment at 4.3%. Tomorrow, the market will watch the ISM Manufacturing PMI, PCE price index, and the RBNZ rate decision.
Spectre, anything on the risk radar?
Risk desk is quiet today. No elevated signals.
Apex, what's the look ahead?
Watch the S&P 500 745 level. It's a key resistance point. The VIX remains at extreme fear, so risk-off flows are still in play. Tomorrow's economic calendar includes the ISM PMI and PCE, which will shape the Fed's next move. The most important thing to watch: if the yield curve stays flat, it could signal a recessionary environment.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the Tokyo session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.